right, yes, you're welcome back, and you still there live on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show. If you just joining, yes, we are just starting the ride. We are taking you on a very smooth one. But if you want, come on, go walk. Don't forget, so we still there on top www.wazobiatv.tv/live for you to get all the gist and all the updates of everything where they happen on top of the world. If you check your Google now, you go see that 37 minutes and you don't cross legs, sit down in front of Chocolat Royal, sipping bread with no, cannot sip bread with, that's a sip coffee with a croissant. All right, the next bus stop na top Tori, and this one I be the Tori they cook on top our front burner. And this one concern waiting. It concern waiting our Nigerian government don't come outside talk on top this treasury single treasury account policy, because right about now they say be like say they go relax, they go peshimele, they go calm down for some kind agency now. They come outside or they talk say they go calm down on the rule on top the treasury single account implementation. So they want give special attention to the security agency. Now, since we don't hear this gist on top of the implementation of the policy, the Account General of the Federation will be Ahmed Idris, don't come outside, be talking before. Say they know they exempt any ministry, department that be an agency. Say everybody must remit all the money where they make into this single account. Now, they say as the government or all government ministry, department and agency, they make sure say all of them, the money that they collect, they must pay them into the consolidated funds account with the Central Bank of Nigeria, that's CBN. But command on the for inside the Tori now because Mr. Idris don't come outside talk say they go give special attention to security agency based on the policy. Because they don't see say a lot of lives and properties they do guagua on top them based on Boko Haram matter, and they say this guagua they need to stop it because now one of the top agenda for President Muhammadu Buhari for this administration where he did now. So now if you want to know the security agencies, then they say now the police and the armed forces, and they say this one had to make them successfully deliver all the mandates of the security of the country. He say, according to Amo, he say office they are aware of the responsibility of the security agency and the things that they face to fight the Boko Haram people, to fight armed robbery, to fight kidnapping, to fight all the bad things them where they bring come, where bad people they bring come inside our country. That now why right about now it be like say they go peshimele on top of this policy for security agency. Our single treasury account now it be like say command on the day inside, and we are asking so what do you think about them? If you say now, because before they talk say no exemption, now they say it be like say then go relax. This one allegedly then go relax now, so then come outside talk. But with the ask you what do you think about this one? If you say this back and forth, I do, I no do, I come, I no come. If you say it makes sense, or if you say really should security agencies be given exemption because of the situation where they for inside our country? We don't top Facebook, the Good Morning Nigeria show, dash Wazobia TV, and we don't top Twitter at GMNS Wazobia, but you go need to hashtag GMNW. But ladies, how wanna see this treasury account, security agency, relax, no relax, attention, boom.
Do you know the thing where they worry me be say, is there any agency, is there any ministry will not get wuru inside? Everybody need torchlighting. No be reason when they hear say even NDLEA, you go to hear stories of wuru. And if they relax, they go say that they tighten one place, that they lose another. He's still looking for ways where pipe of siphoning go see they go. Because the bad thing about this thing be saying now recycled people now we get almost everywhere. Before you know what thing, somebody go see get eye, you go see get hand inside security agency. Where you go feel they use to chop money. My own be say, what is the import of say they won't put on one place before? Now where una they think say okay, we would relax it for this. These are things where me I think say before you even bring the policy come out. Let your technocrats sit down. At least all of us they do it for office, they call us strategic meeting. Where people go bring the idea put for table. Una go come discuss them, poke hole, look for ways where the thing say you not go fit work this way, you not fit work that way, so that before you carry and come outside, at least you don't do some massive old work on top of. But this one now medicine after death they always do. You don't carry the policy put for ground. Before you can begin to think, say okay, all right, make me relax this place, make these people no drag complete.
No.
Now these things they worry me.
For me, this entire thing just be like a joke. Not just what I actually feel. This entire thing be like a joke because, in the first place, police now generating agencies now they be revenue generating agencies now they be, which money
They can't do that.
Maybe I might be wrong. Which money that they give government?
Bail.
Which money police supposed to make? Now from the
Bail.
Ekuje, whether they call whether they collect for whether they collect for roads. And no, I'm confused because I don't know which kind of revenue police want actually generate. When now they are saying we are going to leave them aside. Because in the first place, what are they doing there? Waiting the one they remit to the treasury account. The first instance. Why TSA did it now to make sure say transparency day, okay, if all generating agencies, departments put money into one account, if they want to collect the money from the account, they're going to say, okay, we want to use them to buy newspaper. This now they're going to keep documents of them. Now that's not why they get a single treasury account. But now saying you're going to exempt the police in the first place, are they supposed to be part of it?
Part of it. Security.
I don't know. Maybe that's the question I'm asking. A lot of Nigerians they ask. Are they supposed to be part of the generating agencies to be remitting money to TSA?
You know, a lot of things, no matter what we do, we will still come back to the basic. We will still come back to the basic. I agonize because it's our taxpayers' money that we are using to go back and forth. Go back. Shebi when they put hold, they go back. Pay people again to sit down. Look at them again. Bring her, come and say, okay, we don't make her foolproof, come back. It's a different thing when it's at the point of interpretation. We never even reach the courts. Now just drafting, that will they use forever to stay on. This TSA now will go drag. We go still do another committee. We go meet on this one, drag. We are leaving governance. Governance, the country is breaking at the seams. We dey focus on extraditing. Focus on your committee in senator, probing this person, probing that one, punching this one. What are we saying?
I wish,
So
for me,
questions.
I feel the only way for us to move forward in Nigeria, now when we make something or when we say something, immediately we do them. Because if you keep on prolonging things, you go see when some kind of thing will come inside and say, no, don't do it like this, no, don't do it like that, oh, we're going to take off this, we're going to take off that. You're going to make you wonder, look at subsidy. We were thinking that subsidy will be off. But subsidy is still there, and people, very soon now, fear, you say scarcity go actually
nationwide, very
so
soon,
why do we
according to
always
papers.
do back and forth talking and we don't really stand by the talk?
All right, you see so many questions we'll get to ask and so many unanswered. We're still plenty for you waiting on top there. But you're going to need to check your mouth when time reach on top current affairs, international and current affairs for Inside Nigeria. But for now, we're going to pass small break. When we come back, Tori for Inside with Papers, no go anywhere.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.